Who does she think she is? That girl has tangled with the wrong man. No one says no to Gaston. Darn right. Dismissed. Rejected. Publicly humiliated. Why, it's more than I can bear.
More beer.
What for? Nothing helps. I'm disgraced.
Who do you? Never. Gaston, you've got to pull yourself together. Gosh, it disturbs me to see you, Gaston, looking so down in the dumps. Everybody'd love to be you, Gaston, even when taking your lumps. There's no man in town as admired as you. You're everyone's favorite line. Everyone's awed and inspired by you. And it's not very hard to see why. No one's thick as Gaston. No one's quick as Gaston. No one's neck as incredibly thick as Gaston. For there's no man in town half as manly. Perfect up your paragon. You can ask any Tom, Dick or Stanley, and they'll tell you whose team they'd prefer to be on. No one's been like Gaston, thinking like Gaston. No one's got a swell cleft in his chin like Gaston. As a specimen, yes, I'm intimidating. My what? I believe that Gaston. Give 5 hurrahs, give 12 hip hips. Gaston is the best and the rest is all rips. No one fights like Gaston. Now says lies like Gaston. In the wrestling match, nobody fights like Gaston. For there's no one as Belly and Brody. As you see, I got bars at two not a bit of him scraggly or scrawny. That's right. And every last inch of me is covered with fur. No one hits like Gaston. Matches wits like Gaston. In a spitting match, nobody spits like Gaston. I'm especially good at expectorating. 10 points for Gaston. When I was at last, I ate 4 dozen eggs every morning to help me get large. And now that I'm grown, I eat 5 dozen eggs, so I'm roughly the size of a ball. No one shoots like Gaston, makes those boots like Gaston, then goes tromping around wearing boots like Gaston. I use Angelis in all of my decorating. My what? I Gaston.